So this is pretty straightforward. But this is a 2022 camper that came with no roof vent covers. Yay! So if it's raining outside, it's not really gonna work out very well, is it? No. So got a simple roof vent cover. I'll put the links to it in the description. And yeah, gonna be pretty easy to mount. Just gotta be semi-precise. You wanna make sure that you put these on each side like that, exactly where it needs to be, because this guy, well, the other way, will have those holes. So you just want to make sure you put it in a location where you can have the screw come up and mount. But I'll kind of go over a couple things as I go, but please make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks guys. Let me know if you got any questions. So I'd say this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Just lay them down up against it, right? And then kind of move them exactly where they need to be. I would say, you know, make sure that you go, I would try to go as far back as possible, especially for the front. And make sure to, okay, so that's the back of the camper. This is the front. Make sure the slope is going that way. It would be really bad if you installed it backwards. But that way, there's a lot of, you know, structural integrity with it being closer. And then put this one as far back as you can as well. But just line them up, then pick it straight up, and then we're going to drill our holes. All right, so I got them, you know, in the center, same location on both sides, and then I'm going to lift this straight up. If I had two hands, and then, you know, like I said, make sure you got enough material, and we're going to do our pre-drill. So we're going to go in. Make sure you put your screw, the big screw on first. Then we're gonna go flat washer, lock washer, and then nut. All right, so, a little bit of pain, not too bad. But just make sure you got these brackets pushed down, I would say as far as you can. And again, make sure you got these screws, these bolts right here, and then tighten them down. All right, so now I've got them all tightened up. I'm gonna put the hood cover on, just center it up. I'm gonna put the hardware on for that as well. So me personally, I'm gonna kind of pull it back a little bit to kind of give the hood a little bit more, or the cover a little bit more room to open. All right, that's all she wrote. Just make sure you got these tight. Went flat washer, lock washer, and the nut. Both sides, you know, she's pre-centered. And again, that needs to be towards the front. Notice, that's important. But now, it's raining. I can have the stupid vent open. If you got any questions, let me know. Please like the video and subscribe. Yeah. Hey, another thing to suggest. So I almost accidentally got black because I'm like, oh man, black, I really like black. Now, unless you don't like sunlight, make sure you get white or clear or something. That way you can see. But all right, let me know if you got questions.